Okay, so this is number 4 from section 7.2. We have a summary statistics here of selected weights of newborn girls with an N of 250, an X bar of 30.4, X bar, I hope you know what that is, sample mean, and a sample standard deviation of 6.7 with a confidence level of 95%. And we have to construct a confidence interval, and that's all they're asking for. So in this case, it's strictly calculator. They're not asking for the point estimate. They're not asking for the margin of error. All they want from you is what is the confidence interval. So you go to stat, and then you move over to tests. And you have to scroll down. Again, it's all in the reading of the problem. When SS, the letter S, or it says sample standard deviation is given, what we need here is a T interval. So you need to go down, scroll down to number 8, T interval. Press number 8, T interval. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay. So then you got a bunch of stuff came up. First of all, you need to highlight if it is data or stats. Data, they mean individual data values like a list. You don't have that here, you have stats. So in this case, you have to highlight stats. Make sure that it's blinking. Is it blinking?
Yes.
And now we have to enter the values. So my mean in this case is first. So I enter 30.4 and press enter. Then SX, we enter as 6.7. Enter. N was 250. And the sea level is 0.95. And then what you see on your calculator, calculate.
I think I'm 1.2198 or 99. I don't know where you round off on this.
No, did you press enter?
Yeah, I think I have to go back. Let me go back to where it was. Stat.
Try it again.
T number 8. Enter. Okay, so yeah, 30.4.
30.4 for the mean. SX is 6.7. I actually am holding a calculator in my hand right now.
95, yeah.
So N is 250. The sea level is 0.95. Press enter and then highlight calculate.
All right, so now I have the numbers on top. Yeah, okay.
250.
So in parentheses, you should have 29. Go ahead.
Yep, 29.565. Comma 31.235.
Yep, that's what I got.
Okay.
So that is your confidence interval, and we have to write it like that. The population mean, that would mean all newborn baby girls' weight is somewhere between 29 point, and it says round to 1 decimal place, so 29.6 and 31.2. And that is your confidence interval. And that's all you have to do when you use the confidence interval. You use the calculator.
All right. Did.
Can you repeat everything? I guess I wasn't here.
Yeah, I'm going to do number 5 now. It's the same kind of problem.
Right.
All right, so entered in that.
And I'm recording this, Alan, so you can look at it again. I'm sending you the
But
recording.
where? Right, but where? Yeah.
Where? I'm going to email it to you.
Oh, my bad.
Okay, let's take a look at number 5. Number 5 says, in a test of the effectiveness of garlic to lower cholesterol, 49 subjects were treated with garlic in a processed tablet form. Cholesterol levels were measured before and after the treatment. The changes before and after in their LDL levels have a mean of 3.2 and a standard deviation of 15.4. Construct a 99% confidence interval. Okay, so let's write out everything that's given. We have 49 subjects, so that's n equals 49. We have a sample mean of 3.2 and a standard deviation based on the sample that is 15.4. The C level is 99%, and we have to perform a confidence interval about this cholesterol after garlic treatment. So strictly calculator, go to stat, and then move over to tests. Stat, tests, actually, let me do it myself. So stat, move over to tests, and then pick number 8 for T interval. We're using number 8 because the sample standard deviation is given. Now, again, you got to make sure, Alan, you have the app version, right?
Yeah.
Down on the left-hand corner, it says data or stats. You see that?
Data or stats?
Right?
I see. Yeah, I see.
The word test. Make sure that you click on stats. You have to have stats, gotta be white.
Right, I got it.
Okay. Now let's enter the mean, which is 3.2.
Right.
And then enter SX, which is 15.4. And then enter N, 49. And enter the C level, that is 0.99. Enter. Now, Darlene has to click on calculate now. But if you look in the app, it says lower and it says upper.
Right.
That is your confidence interval.
All right. Can I say the numbers?
Hold on a second. Let's wait till Darlene. Darlene, you're entering?
Yep, I did already.
Okay, so Alan, what did you get? Rounded to 2 decimal places.
Lower is negative 2.770.
Right.
And then the upper is 9.10.
Darlene, do you concur?
I got the negative 2.701. That one didn't match. What did he say he had?
It's
Negative
negative 2.70 and 9.10.
Okay, all right. Yep, that's good.
You got that?
Yes.
Great. Cool. Okay. So that's how you use the calculator of finding the confidence interval when the sample standard deviation is given.